Okay, so for Hound Dog, this is a swung pattern, which means our strumming hand needs to come underneath further than it does above. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got a quick up strum to a long down strum. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'll just play the first verse of Hound Dog. So we've got 1, 2,